Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add gaps between clips in DaVinci Resolve. So adding a gap is really easy. So let's say I want to add a gap here. So firstly I need to split this clip. For that you can just select this blade tool and add a split here. After that select the selection mode and drag over all of your clips, and then we just have to hold our left click and create a gap there. And now as you can see, a gap has been created here. But let's say you have hundreds of clips available in your timeline, then in that case selecting them can be really tough. So what we can do instead is just press a shortcut key to select all of the clips forward from your playhead. So let's say I want to select all of the clips forward from this playhead, then we just have to press Alt plus Y on our keyboard, and then DaVinci will automatically select all of the clips which are forward from your playhead, and then we just have to drag them to create a gap like so. So this is the way. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.